Hello and welcome to TVBOSS Essentials Session 11. In this video I'm going to show you how you set up your categories inside of the Roku backend developer section. So this is based on what you set up inside the TVBOSS software as your tags. So if you want several categories, then you obviously need to add additional rows in here to be able to do that. So I'll just add, I think, another row just in this first video, and we'll call it tutorial. And as soon as I come out of this field, that should get saved, but I'll just go down that if I save changes just to make sure. And if I scroll up here to the first video, you can see now in the tags I've got another tag of tutorial. Fine, so if I now go into Roku, and I'll just refresh the feed again. Okay, it's logged me out because there's been a delay of a few minutes, so let's just log back in. And it's worth noting that if you find your feed doesn't update, then you want to check, but you can see it has actually updated a few minutes ago. But if I now refresh that again, because it's just after midnight my time, so I'll give that just a minute, and then I'll refresh, and I'm refreshing the page rather than using this button, so maybe I'll just come back in a minute and check it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into here and I'm going to look at categories, and what we can see at the moment is I've got recently added to be the sort of priority one that it sort of sorts by, and then I've got TVBOSS Essentials with a category in there of TVBOSS. So let's just edit that a second. So you can see that's based on a tag. So I think if I go back and oops, I'll just get back into the developer section, and into my channel, and into my specific channel that I'm working on, and back into categories this way, and I'm going to add another category, and you see I've got tutorial. So I can now save this. Oh, there's an error there. Let's just have a look. Oh, I see. So I'd need to put something like, say, tutorial in there, and now I should be able to save it. Yeah. So now I have two categories in there. So if I wanted to have more than those two, I would go back here to the TVBOSS software, and I'll just add it to one video. So let's add a row, and let's call this, for example, setup. And then I can come down here. Oops, too far. There we go. Save the changes. And then I can just see in here that in fact it's been updated. So if I now go back into the developers area, so add a category, there we go, look, set up. So I can call that software setup. So in other words, this category doesn't have to match the actual tag you created, but you need to decide on which one you want to connect it with. Then I can save that, and then also save it down the bottom. So that's how you use the categories inside of Roku to add those into your channel. Thanks and bye for now.